yung Holy Week guys ay may darating na naman guys na Mother's Day. Kasunod din guys ay Father's Day. Yan guys yung mga ano guys, yung celebration guys ng nanay, tatay, ganun guys. Kailangan din natin guys na magaling guys na makaalis ng bahay para makaiwas tayo guys sa traffic at hindi tayo may stranded guys sa traffic guys, para hindi maabala guys sa pasok guys at Monday. Thank you so much guys for watching. Thank you.